Joe Road from Lokar Performance. I want to talk to you about our LS Classic 14-inch Classic intake kit. Our intake kit comes with everything you need to adapt your GM 4-bolt 92mm drive-by-wire throttle body to an LS engine, giving it the look of a 60s and 70s period-correct muscle car. The throttle body and fuel injectors are not included in the kit, but it does come with a single-plane aluminum intake manifold, billet aluminum fuel rails, the 14-inch chrome air cleaner assembly, and the adapter plates to adapt the throttle body to the 4150 carb pattern on the intake manifold. Because we use tried and true GM technology, the kit will work with your stock GM engine management system and ECU or any of the various popular aftermarket systems that are out there. The kit is available to work with LS3 rectangular port cylinder heads or the LS1 style cathedral port cylinder heads. It will accept the short LS3 EV6 fuel injectors or the LS1 style EV1 fuel injectors. Our LS Classic parts are sold anywhere Lokar products are sold. To see more of our vintage LS complementary parts, visit our website at lsclassic.com.